Welcome back to Always Dolls. This is Sarah and I'm so glad you're here. Since crafting our version of American Girl's new kitchen playset, we have had requests to make more food items from this release. In today's video, we show you how to turn humble paperboard into a super cute toaster, and we also make bread slices for toasting. Shout out to fellow YouTuber Dolls and DIYs for her fabulous tutorial that inspired this craft. You can find the link to her original toaster DIY in the description box below. Make your dolls a toaster that really pops up the bread, all in one afternoon. So let's get making. Begin with recycled paperboard, preferably one that has a white core. Cut 8 rectangles with rounded top corners. Adhere 4 pieces together for the front toaster body and 4 for the back. On one panel, draw the AG star logo in the center and cut it out. Keep the star, we will use it later. Now cut 2 tall rectangles and 2 short rectangles for the left side wall. Repeat to make another set, only this time cut a window from the lower half of all the paperboard pieces. The window will allow us to add a lever later. Stack and glue your wall pieces together. Gently bend the longer paperboard over the shorter panels so the 2 walls curve to meet in the middle as seen on screen. Next, sketch an oval shape for the protector panel. Divide it in half lengthwise and cut 2 slits wide enough for a bread slice. For us, that is just under 1 centimeter wide. Place the panel over the curved section of each side wall to trace and cut out matching slits. Check the slots align when the 2 walls meet in the middle. Cut, stack and glue more rectangles for the base. Use a regular stationary punch to make small paperboard discs. Glue 6 discs per toaster foot, adhering a stack to each corner of the base piece. Now cut, stack and glue 5 internal wall pieces, creating a notch where the lever will rest. The lever itself has 2 arms that sit either side of the internal wall and a handle you can use to pop up the toast. With all our pieces ready, we can paint the toaster. We made ours pink and silver like AG's, but you can customize this step to make it any color you like. Assemble the toaster by first affixing the solid wall to the body panel. Then attach the base piece. Insert the internal wall. It's optional, but we cut extra strips of paperboard for more support, gluing them to the base. Slip the lever handle through the window of the other side wall, checking it slides up and down freely. Then adhere the second side wall. Now glue on the front body piece. Here we trimmed the star cutout from earlier and inlaid it to create interest and dimension, just like AG's version. Glue the protector plate over top and your doll toaster is finished. It's so cute and functional too. Thanks again to Dolls and DIYs for your amazing tutorial. I highly encourage you to check out her content and subscribe. Now let's make some bread. Start with squares of 5mm foam board. We use scrap pieces for this. Draw a classic bread shape and cut it out. We will add texture from tissue paper. Generously cover the slice with liquid glue. Lay a small square of tissue paper over top and rub gently with your fingertip to make creases. Wrap the paper around the edges, scrunching it up to give the bread its crust. Trim away the excess paper, then repeat the glue and tissue paper process until you reach your desired texture. When dry, paint the bread with a base coat of yellow ochre. Define the crust by adding light brown to the sides and over the top. For a further baked appearance, apply dark brown paint to just the top where the dough would be exposed in a baking pan. To mimic toasted bread, dry brush a mix of your brown paints around the edges of your slice, but leave the center the base coat color. Our DIY bread fits perfectly into the toaster and is a wonderful interactive item for any dollhouse kitchen. If you'd like to keep crafting, Click the card's top right to see how to make easy bacon rashers and fried egg to accompany your doll's breakfast. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support our crafty content. See you soon for more miniature crafting fun!